What if you completely change the way you live and think? What if instead of struggling to earn money and saving so that we could retire, we threw all of that out the window? What if you lived a life you loved, doing what you loved, got paid for it, didn't even think about the savings because you were going to continually earn money for the rest of your life and it would continually grow? And that you could relax and go on vacations and live the kind of life that we look forward to during retirement. Who wants to wait till you're old and feeble and then spend money that you're petrified you might lose if anything happens? That's not a good way of living, but we've done it for centuries. It's time to end that way of living. I do not live that way. I live a completely different kind of lifestyle, but I did live that work hard, work harder for more money, try to get away on the vacation, stress out, look forward to stockpiling money, hope it doesn't get decimated by the markets, right? If you have a portfolio. Hope you don't lose anything because we don't know what's going to happen with the economy. And then hope that you'll get to this place in life where you can go and finally have fun. What a load of hooey. Why don't you join me and get new skills like I did 5 years ago when I saw a promotion just like this and knew it was my ticket out. I was an investment banker for 25 years in that very exciting, successful career that I no longer resonated with. I wanted to be a writer, I wanted to travel, I wanted to stop chasing money, stressing out in a world that I didn't connect to anymore. This may be you. And you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, but I'm here to tell you, people are learning how to use the internet in positive ways. They're getting skills that they never thought were possible. They don't have to go back to night school and college and spend years or thousands and thousands of dollars to go back into that system that doesn't work so they can work hard again and save money. Let's ditch it. Thousands of people of all ages, all backgrounds, all education levels are learning how to use the internet to create online businesses. They're remotely working the way we should be doing business, right? There's lower overhead, you can reach global audiences, and you get to pick and choose what you offer other people. Things of value, not what somebody else tells you to sell or give that might be polluting our planet or harming others. We get to make choices now. We can empower ourselves. So 5 years ago, I shut down my investment banking business. I owned it. I got trained online in an amazing education system. An education system, not some MLM or anything else, nothing wrong with that. It's just not my thing. But I learned how to use the internet to create any kind of business, whether it was e-commerce or a coaching business so I could reach audiences. For me, it was affiliate marketing, promoting other amazing products and services so that I didn't have to create those. And then I created an amazing YouTube channel helping people change their lives. All of that was possible through my education. And then I have a support team, people that train me on how to do it, but how to grow it. And I have tech teams and people that continually support me along the way. They don't just leave me. And I was around other like-minded people, spiritually minded people that cared about what they did for a living and wanted to control their destiny, wanted quality time with family and friends, wanted to control their income, wanted to stop struggling and trying to find that place where they could enjoy life again. You can join me. A whole platform that shows you how to make money and actually supplies the products and services if you don't have them. Wouldn't you love to live your life the way I do? I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book that got turned into a television movie because I was able to dedicate my life to the things I love. The platform takes anybody and teaches them how to be an entrepreneur, a business owner, a person who takes control of their life. If you're interested, you can click somewhere here on the screen, get a free workshop series, the same one that I received. If you're skeptical, well, come on over and check it out. It's simply an education system, and in my opinion, the best. The Harvard of online training systems. I now have several businesses and a life that I absolutely never imagined was possible. And because of that, I'm able to sit here and talk to you and help other people get out of that matrix. I spent my whole life working with business owners. I saw how difficult it was. That is not a desirable place. It isn't an answer to anything, nor working for somebody else in a job you despise. 85% of the people out there hate their jobs. Don't be one of them. Click somewhere here on the screen. It's actually a lot of fun. Click somewhere here, receive your free workshop series that explains how all of this works. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's time for you to take charge of your life. Thanks for listening. Take care.